come here, to do the grand unboxing. You might not understand what kind of grand unboxing it is. And for a fact, I can tell you that it's my opportunity. I created it, so I can unbox it. Here we go. Okay, so you see this big box. I have a huge collection of stuff, or maybe junk, as adults say. Cardboard, all that stuff. I call it, and I put it in this box, which is also quite junky, and I call it the disco box. So when I call it the disco box, have you seen this other box? It's called the beer box. King Fisher Sher Khan. So basically, I'm not gonna be doing anything today because it takes about 12 minutes. It's about 1 minute now. So I'm gonna be doing the grand unboxing of the really new item going to be for the unboxing. And of course, it is by courtesy of my family, they have that big paper. I mean, like, I'm not really impressed with that. Without further ado, I want to introduce some of the other things. Like this. I call it the bag of fortune. I put anything that's it's special. You cannot put it in any other boxes. One is too big, one is too small. This is too big. This is kind of big. This is pretty small. See, pretty small. Big, real big. Ow. And of course, I had real big pen. So we're gonna do the real unboxing right now. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, I don't think you can see, but I want to show you. This kind of desk over here with 2 drawers. 1, 2. And this top, I call it the justifier. So that not just that, I can make sure that the item is going to be onto the box, the disco box, whatever. And secondly, I'm sitting on a stool because that's the only thing I have right now. So let us unbox the item. Not quite right. Let us unbox. I save it. Oh my! It's a telephone. And I felt the telephone this way. It's this way. Oh my god. That is serious. I mean, look at this. This is Panasonic and they used in the 90s. This is really serious. Really serious. I have made my decision. Whoa. I made my decision on the table of Justify. This will be in the box. I mean, like, it's a telephone. I mean, like, not many people get a telephone for their scrap collection, but it will add a lot of weight. Which one do you think I should put in? The small box? I mean, the Sher Khan Kingfisher beer box, or this big 2-ball box, or as I call it, the disco box. Disco box. Yes, of course. You see the wire from here. Oh, maybe I got a phone call. No, shut up. I didn't. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And please leave a like, and not just that. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Graham S. Ferns with a D Numbers pic as his profile pic. Then on Snapchat you can follow me as Graham GRAEME _ that's that line Ferns FERNS 780. Okay? And on Facebook you of course put me on GRAEME space FERNS GNF capital. I might be deleting my account, so you can only put me on Instagram and Snapchat. Anyways, bye guys, have fun.